I want to show you how you can withdraw dollars in Nigeria. I know that a lot of people are doing a lot of things online currently that may require them to get paid. Yes, you want to receive your earnings in dollars, but you don't know how to go about it, which account to pay. I know people talk about paper. You know, if you are in Nigeria, paper currently is not allowed for Nigerians unless you do the shortcut and otherwise stress yourself doing so much shortcuts when there are legitimate ways that you can earn and get your earnings, get your payments, even in dollars, right into your account. So let's go right in. Here is one platform I use. Gray Co. Gray. So you can go to your Play Store and download Gray. When you download Gray, make sure that you sign in and follow the steps. It's very easy. Follow the steps and create an account with them. Tell them what you want to use that account for. I've created an account with Gray because I write for Amazon KDP. So most of my books, if you see the accounts I attached to Amazon KDP, is my Gray account. There was a time Amazon sent me some dollars into that Gray account, although the money was so small because they take their commission. For instance, if Amazon pay you $2, they will definitely collect some of their own commission from this money. You get, so that is how it functions. But trust me, you have a USA account right on your phone that you can be using to collect your earnings. So try Gray, you will like it. That is one. Another option is Payoneer. I've used Payoneer. My first account that I created was Payoneer. I attached it to my Amazon KDP, Kindle Publishing, and I forgot the password. So they are also good. You can check Payoneer on the Play Store too and download. These are legitimate USA account platforms that you can create and still earn. Yes, you can still earn. But here is the last one. This is how I was able to create a Nigerian in a domiciliary account. Yes, a domiciliary account is needed if you are a content creator because there will come a time that if your channel is monetized, you will need to add your domiciliary account to your AdSense, Google AdSense account so that YouTube can pay you. I tried using Gray, but I couldn't succeed. Why? Because they were asking me for source code, and I discovered that maybe Gray will give me an issue. So I created an account without even going to the bank. Without going to the bank, I created a current account. What is a current account? Current account is the type of account that you can receive dollars. Okay, then let me just use that word. You can receive dollars. Although I have savings account or that you cannot use your saving account to receive your YouTube earnings. So if you are on YouTube, you will be creating videos and you don't have a current account. Start thinking of how to get it. I'm talking about a dollar account. So how was I able to create my dollar account? Here is what I did. Standard Chartered Bank, SC. That is their abbreviation, SC. I created it online, but the first thing I did was to create a savings account. Immediately after creating a savings account, I was allowed for some period. They accepted, hey, this is how I did it. I didn't go to the bank. I just got a lot of information. Yes, their customer care, if you can check them on Facebook, their customer care are always there. They are always there to help. They are always there to respond. They respond so fast. So I reached out to them asking, how can I create a dollar account, which is a current or domiciliary account? And they told me that, oh, for an online platform without going to the bank, if I want to go to the bank, I can just walk in and get the phone. Once I get the phone, I'll create it. But if I don't want to go to the bank, I will need to follow a step-by-step process. Hey, this is a disclaimer. You must have two referees, two referees that will sign in. Those referees must be people from that same bank. For instance, if you are creating a current or a domiciliary account with UBA or with Zenith Bank or with Standard Chartered, in my case, you will need two referees, two people that will stand in as your referee. You understand? Yes. So I got my referees, and those people must be people that have current accounts in those banks. It's that simple. So I got my referees, and I created. I didn't want to go to the bank. Yes, in being that I also was not in a hurry. So I created my first account, which was saving account. I gave them like 2 weeks, and the account was activated. They sent me messages to my email. How did I create it? With their application, with the Standard Chartered application. After that, I also um upgraded. Okay, I used the procedure to upgrade to a current account. It was very easy, and my account was sent to me. And that is how I was able to get my current account. Most people, after getting it, you will need to deposit at least, I think, $50 into the account. And if it is lying dormant, you've not used it for a long time, they will tell you that the account is dormant. So you, if you don't use, you do transaction, they will deactivate it. So get ready with your dollars, you create it. How will you get dollars? Many people say dollars. All these people that do blockchain things, that mine coins, or you buy from Aboki. Most Aboki is their business now. They buy dollars and they sell. So that is how to do that. If you are still confused, you can ask me in the comment section, and I can be able to give you one or two information. However, if you are so discreet, you can go to Facebook, follow them, any of the banks, okay? Follow them on their social media platform and try to ask them questions. Ask them how you can do that, and they will answer you. Ask them how you can do it, how you can go about it. The customer care will be your domain, telling you how to do. Or if you don't want to do it online, just create time, walk into any of the banks and tell them you want to create a domiciliary current account. And they will give you forms to fill, of course, including the referee. So you get referees to fill it for you, trusted people that can agree, that has current account in that bank. Yes, so that is that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Why don't you give it a thumbs up, like this video, click on the subscribe button, and tell me in the comment section which of the bank do you feel is your best to create a current account with, and did you get value in this video? Why don't you subscribe for our more updates? Love you. See you soon in our latest video.